This 5-minute solution will show you how to announce caller name in iPhone. To turn on or enable caller name on iPhone, follow these quick solutions. Open your settings, scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Tap on announce calls, and here you can select headphones and car, or you can select headphones only. And to enable announce call for both of these, select always. Then go back and scroll down, tap on phone, tap on announce calls, and also here you can select headphones or car, headphones only or always. That's how we can announce caller name in iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.